Hello everyone, in front of me is iPad Pro and let me show you how to set up Astronomy Wallpaper. First of all, open your settings, then select Wallpaper and mark Add New One. Here find Astronomy and now just tap on Add. If you want to set it as a wallpaper pair, mark Wallpaper Pair, but if you want to customize your home screen separately, you can add either color, gradient, you can add some additional photo, or actually I don't know why it is not loading. However, here is this first picture. You can either blur it or leave it this way, then mark done, and I believe now you'll be able to see it on your screen. So as you can see, here it is applied, and obviously also on your lock screen. So that is all. This is how you can activate Astronomy Wallpaper. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.